All right, I'm at the first water crossing. Here we go. Try not to get wet. All right, guys, I made it in about an hour and 5 minutes. I had a couple of stops here and there to blow my nose, get a quick drink. But there they are, Cedar Creek Falls, Ramona, California, Southern California. And then they have the big pool area down below where the water goes into. Hi guys, I'm here, Cedar Creek Falls, city of Ramona, Southern California. Just gonna pan around, check out the area. Oh, you okay? Help her out. Okay. Somebody just slipped on the rocks. This is just an awesome area. You gotta come to, if you're in the San Diego area. Takes about an hour to get down to the waterfall. The waterfalls are about maybe 80 feet high, I would guess. You're not supposed to be jumping off the cliffs, but you can kind of wade around in the water. I saw one snake coming down, a bunch of bigger ants. I think I heard somebody say there's like some turtles they just saw. I'm gonna sit down a few minutes here and rest, get some water. All right, check out the view. This is on the Cedar Creek Falls hiking trail. This is the way going. I'm actually going back now to the top of the trailhead, but I didn't show this on my way down.